Today guys, we're gonna show you guys or share with you again my recipe, braised frog legs with the spring onion and ginger. By the way, my name is Angie. Wow, look the meat. It's so nice, lovely. Skin off and wash, cut into pieces. After that, need to marinate the frog parts for about half hour. These are the seasonings. And heat oil in a wok and saute the garlic and ginger till fragrant. Add the frog legs or farts. Stir it for 1 minute at medium heat. Then add oyster sauce, black rice vinegar, Chinese rice wine. Water should partially cover the frog legs and simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Then add the spring onions towards the last 2 minutes of simmering. Be careful not to overcook the frog legs, else they will be rubbery and tough. Serve with steamed rice or plain porridge. So, hope you like this video guys, and please give thumbs up, comment down below, and please click the subscribe button, and just check it out under the description box below the full recipe. See you. Bye.